We partnered with a group called Comfort Cases, and we actually have a Comfort Cases packing party each semester. The class is Health 140, Personal and Community Health. Each semester we have 150 to 200 students. It's a large lecture class. And so in the class, we have implemented a service learning project. And service learning is where the students can get some meaningful work done based on the community and also reflect on that. So what we're trying to do is reduce the stigma of having foster care youth putting all of their belongings in a trash bag and leaving. You know, it's demoralizing to put everything in a trash bag. And also to give them some dignity by providing brand new items like pajamas, a composition book so they can journal. They get pens and pencils, they get backpacks, and inside the backpack is a larger duffel bag. So they can use the backpack for their school supplies and the duffel bag for their actual personal items. And so this year we packed 160 bags individually, and each student individually packed the bag, and then they had to load the truck.
A lot of kids are affected by the foster care system, and having to put all your stuff in a trash bag and go to your next home is not right. No one should be treated like an animal almost. So I feel like being able to pack these comfort cases and give them a sense of home, even though they don't have one, is very important.